The LG K21 here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG K51 for Verizon Prepaid. So the K51 is a budget smartphone. This one does look very nice. It does have pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. So the K51 is not available at Verizon Prepaid for $168. So not too bad. It's available on 32 GB of storage, and it's available in Titan color there. So there's the content in front of you. It looks very nice. You do have your teardrop noise for the front-facing camera. Power button is on the right side of the phone. Bang keys will be on the left side of the phone. Also, you'll have your Google Assistant key on the left side of the phone as well. Alright. So yeah, that's the left side of it. Bang keys and the Google Assistant key right there on the left. So yeah. On the back of the LG K51, you will have triple cameras, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Verizon logo, and the LG logo there on the rear. Alright, so pretty cool. On the left side of the phone is your power button, and also will have the micro SD and SIM card slot on the side of the phone as well. Alright, and that's the front of the phone. Yeah. So the LG K51 has 22 days of standby time, 17 hours of usage time. You do have three cameras on the rear: a 13 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel super wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera on the rear. So that's pretty cool. The LG K51 is 3.7 inches in width and 6.57 inches in height. There, alright. So as I said, meet the LG K51. This impressive budget family phone delivers on features, style, and function. Shoot bag worthy panoramas with the 115-degree super wide angle lens, or capture stunning bokeh portrait that look like they just came right from the studio. Get immersive entertainment in the palm of your hand with the large 6.5-inch display and surround sound quality speakers, all-day battery life, and a fast processor power you do today so you can get more done. Stay connected to the things and people that matter most with the LG K51 and Verizon, America's most awarded network, right? Big, bold, and beautiful. The 6.5-inch HD Plus full vision display provides a rich visual experience to enjoy all your favorite moments, stream the hottest shows, and more. Rest assured that all your content is secure with one touch unlock, a fast, convenient way to open your phone with a single touch with the fingerprint sensor. So, yeah. Never miss a shot. A triple camera system ensures shot-worthy photos every time. Capture all the smiles in the next family group shot with a 115-degree super wide angle front camera, or add an artistic bokeh effect or add an artistic bokeh effect for an studio quality portrait. One click sharp focus and high quality, high res photos deliver professional looking pics. Power to your day. With an impressive 4,000 mAh battery, you won't have to worry about your phone running out of juice before you do. Talk, text, stream, and share confidently with up to 17 hours of talk time and up to 22 days of standby time. So pretty nice. Room for all your keepsakes. With 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. With 3 gigabytes of storage, that's RAM, and 32 gigabytes of internal memory, there's plenty of space for your personal photos, favorite apps, latest game, and more. And you can add up to 2 TB of memory with an expandable micro SD card if you need more room for all the things you love. Fast, fluid performance. The octa-core chipset delivers smooth, fast performance for the octa-core chipset delivers smooth, fast performance to effortlessly toggle between functions and multitask efficiently. Push your productivity to the max with a processor that can keep up with every tap, swipe, and share. Surround yourself in premium sound. Immerse yourself in quality audio with the LG K51 stereo speakers. Mobile optimized DTSX3D surround sound is ready to provide a premium sound experience. And for a more dynamic audio experience, the LG K51 with an LG Tone headset. So you will have to buy that. Obviously, that it does not come with no headphones or nothing, but you will have to buy the LG Tone separately if you're interested. Right? So the specs on the LG K51 are not that bad. They're pretty decent for what it is, a budget smartphone. So the LG K51 will have LTE Advanced, not 5G of course. It says with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a mobile device, so you can use it in every 200 countries. Standby time 22 days, usage time 17 hours. The cameras on the rear are 13 megapixel main, a 5 megapixel super wide angle, and a 2 megapixel depth camera on the rear, and then you have a 13 megapixel front facing camera. The width of the LG K51 is 3.7 inches. The weight of the phone 7.16 ounces. The height of the K51 is 6.57 inches, and then the depth is 0.33 inches. The screen size on the LG K51 is 6.5 inches HD plus. That's 17 by 1560 full vision display. That's 264 ppi. Your ratio is 19.5 by 9, and you'll have Gorilla Glass on that as well. 4,000 mAh battery does not remove you'll have 4,000 mAh battery. The battery does not remove. Android 10 of course. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and you'll get about 18 gigabytes available to use. So do keep it in mind. You do have a micro SD card slot there, so use that. Your SAR rating, 79 networks there. Wi-Fi 80 to 11 ABG and AC. Your processor, you'll have a MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor on there. Google Assistant. AC voice is also on here as well. It says experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. And then the Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So that's pretty cool. If you guys didn't have your LG K51, Verizon has you covered with that. It says Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys ever need help, right? And what you guys get in the box is nothing special, of course. So you do get the LG K51, pre-installed SIM card, 4,000 mAh battery, travel adapter, and USB cable with reference card, product safety and warranty brochure, and SIM ejection pin. So that's pretty much it there in your box. So you guys have the LG K51 is not at Verizon Prepaid for $168. I think it's worth picking up. So this would be a great first one for a kid or whatever, or great backup friend or whatever. Special are not too bad. So I mean, it's a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here, but the special are not that bad at all. Like I said, the phone looks very nice. So yeah, there you guys have it, the LG K51. now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's now what, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.